Let's cook a meal with Remy, your friendly automated helper in the kitchen that seasons your food to perfection. From the confused college kid to the experienced chef, this gadget is made for every kitchen. To set up, all you have to do is tell it what you're putting and put the spices inside.
Using Remy is very easy. I just tell it what I want to cook. Remy, I want to cook eggs on my breakfast.
Oh, and did we mention it also talks back to you? This was an incredible journey, so we'd like to take a moment to thank Formlabs and everyone who made this possible. We are Spice Girls, and we hope you enjoy our project.